March 18th of 2020 marked the day the pandemic hit home. The first case of coronavirus confirmed in Crosse County, and from there many aspects of life began changing quickly. News 19's Andrea Albers takes us back.
We have been listening in live to a press conference underway in Crosse County where we've just learned that there are 2 positive cases of COVID-19.
I want to right away say we anticipated this.
That same day, Wisconsin's schools were closed indefinitely.
We have some breaking news as we join you this evening. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers ordering all K-12 schools in the state temporarily closed, a move designed to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
In the days to follow, events fell like dominoes.
The WIAA is putting an end to the spring sports seasons and its state tournaments.
And on March 25th, we learned a new term, safer at home.
Now to the governor issuing that order earlier today, asking people to stay at home unless it's absolutely necessary to go out.
It wasn't long after May 13th that the state Supreme Court threw out the restrictions. Justices ruling 4-3 that the Evers administration had overstepped its authority. In July, a sobering milestone. In some developing news, we've learned that a person has died from COVID-19 complications in Crosse County. This is the county's first COVID-19 death. By the end of the month, Wisconsin had a mask mandate in place. November arrived, and with it, the peak of the pandemic in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin saw its highest one-day death toll since the outbreak began.
New cases spiking by nearly 8,000 per day as local healthcare systems were pushed to the breaking point.
I've seen patients die.
But the first sigh of relief was not far off. In late December, the COVID-19 vaccine arrived in La Crosse.
Tonight, healthcare workers in the La Crosse area received their first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine.
The new year bringing new signs of hope.
And yeah, La Crosse will become a high school basketball hub. The La Crosse Center has reached an agreement to host this year's WIAA state girls and boys basketball tournament.
And modern science providing another full circle moment. In early March, a mass vaccination clinic up and running in La Crosse.
Health officials tell me they were vaccinating 200 people today, and their goal next week is to get 1,000 daily doses in arms.
And again, that site's been up for 9 days now. Incredible to see how far we've come. The La Crosse County Health Department, meanwhile, reflecting on the successes and some of the challenges they've faced in trying to maintain a healthy community. Now, some of the successes include working with the National Guard to provide testing sites and relieve some of the stress on local healthcare providers. Another, their engagement on social media. Education manager Paula Silla said asymptomatic carriers, however, proved to be one of the biggest challenges.
I remember thinking, I don't want to believe that that's the case, that people can be infected with the virus and not have symptoms. But that to me was a huge challenge and a message to get out to the public as well.
Some other hurdles, misinformation and politicizing the virus. But Silla says new variants and skepticism of getting the COVID-19 vaccine remain some of the ongoing challenges.